Hey there, how are you? How do you feel about emojis? Would you like to use them in Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps? My name is Jorge and in this video I am going to show you how to use emojis in choice columns. In today's scenario, we are providing help desk services to our customers. And when a case is closed, we can send the customer a survey so we can rate our service. So we are going to implement a choice column consisting of a range from 1 to 5 stars. Let's do it. Let's open our support cases table and create a new choice. And let's call it star rating. New choice. Let's make this a global one. And for the stars, you can copy it from some social media instant message text box and just paste it here. Let's start with 1 and take it from there. And save this. Now sync your column with the global choice. And save it again. Now we will have to edit the form for support cases and add the star rating column. Let's go into forms. And let's put it in a new section. Right here. Now let's drag it there. Hide the label and publish the form. And let's take a look at it. We'll refresh here. And open up a case. Neat little thing, right? Now, we could go and set up the survey and the flow to make this work. And maybe we can do that in another video. Let me know if that's something you would like me to do. And see you soon!